my wife did pay for this. I don't know why she did such a thing. What's going on, guys? It is Cinema J back again with an unboxing of something I've been waiting to get for 2 years now. It's big, as you can see. It's big. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the way that light hitting that boy. All right, don't want to waste time. You guys came to see this. Hear that? ASMR. All right, yeah, it's a big box. Let's just unbox it. Y'all see what the title is, so y'all know what it is. I ain't come here to waste time. And I'm not a professional box opener, so we just gonna, you know, open box the way a non-professional box opener would open it. Oh, wow. Hold on, ASMR. Oh yeah, that's what YouTube likes right there. Oh, all right, let me close this. Kids. All right, get that out of the way. Wow. Finally! It took me spending all this money to get a bundle to get it.
Wow!
825 gigs. I prefer the digital version, but hold on, there's a big box, excuse me. No paper cuts for you. You see it? You see it? Oh, let's do the other side, let's do the other side. Oh, let's close that back up. It's the right side up. Upside down? Oh no, it's right side up. That's right side up. Yep. Let's reveal it to you. So, it's almost Christmas time, but we're in adult. Christmas can be every day. Any day. Ain't that right? Hold on, stop touching stuff. Yeah, look at that. That's just what I've been waiting for 2 years. Right there. That too. I actually wanted that. So this bundle works for me because it actually has a game that I want to play with this. So bundle, Cinema J, PlayStation, Sony, thank you. This works. Also, they still got some on the website, so. Okay, now I have a predicament because I don't really know. Wait, there we go. See this receipt? Don't need that. Yeah, boys, that's what we came for right here. That's what we came for right here. See that? Hit that angle right there. Y'all want to walk around the box? I got you. All right, got that out of the way. Now let's unbox the box. Get it? All right, hold on, nope, we got some tape here. We got some more tape here. Hey, at this point, I'm just glad my ish didn't get stolen while on its way. Granted, the UPS man was kind of out of whack today. He's like, hey, is this last name Douglas? I'm like, no. Douglas, no, that's not my last name. But the street name is Douglas. You okay? Didn't have to worry about him stealing my stuff. I've learned that FedEx, you younger gentlemen like to steal stuff. So, shame on you. Work hard for this. Granted, my wife did pay for this. I don't know why she did such a thing. She wants me to be more of a family man. But, oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna have to stop talking, folks. Be careful because I got another little one upstairs. I probably just woke him up. We're gonna be in for some. Oh wait, all right, I just got it. I want to keep it. It's time for my call to duty to be a stay-at-home dad and play the game all day. I'm not an unboxer, as you can tell. Hopefully this looks good. Hopefully my presentation suits you guys out there on YouTube. Well, that's definitely the console right there. So what do we have here? What do we have here? Yeah, that right there. Let's put it in light. Yeah, I'm gonna play that. I'm gonna be up there playing that. Yep. All right, I'm hyped, I'm lit, let's go. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Let's go, let's go. What's one way to make the dad in the household happy? Buy a PlayStation, that's it. Quick start guide, who uses this? Let me know if you use this. Nope. I want to kind of go in order of importance here. So I do need this base plate right here. I do need this beautiful base plate. Hold on, let me make sure my hand's not ashy. That'd be killing y'all. Got some lotion right here. And I need a lotion sponsor for these videos. I'm gonna do this. Cardboard dry out, boy. All right, lotion applied. It's good enough. Okay. Base plate, HDMI, power cord. It's shaped the exact same as it's been for years. Great. We have the controller next and the power cord for the controller. All right, and this controller that I'm on YouTube and I see people describing how this controller works and how it feels, and all these things that you feel. All right, let's They're not a smooth unboxing, unwrapping at all. But, oh, look at that. This microphone, 3D audio headset can go in there, and I have some, I got Steel Series. Oh boy, yes, yes. I'm gonna put you guys nice and tall here. Get everything else, who cares about that? And this is what we came for. All right, we're just gonna go for it. This is mine. Whew. Absolutely can't touch anything. Oh, you can't just pick this up here, buddy. Oh, you're getting fingerprints already on that gloss black. They're still doing that. That's why no one likes it. Oh, look at the way that light hits that boy there. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This is not a toy. Yeah, that was dope. Man, I've been waiting so long for this thing. I'm not gonna do a setup video. There's a million of them on YouTube already. I will at least show you this. You need to have the stand, have that part. Line up some squares right there. I'm just gonna do it. They are over the squares. Yep, that's it. Nice. Going on the mantle now. It's the 1200 series, so it's an updated PS5. It runs cooler, it runs more efficient than the first iteration of it that dropped in 2020, I think. And what a year to drop that. I played my base PS4 up until now, barely running Cyberpunk, crashing, having all types of problems, and I made it. So, anyways, hope you guys liked the video. If you want to see some gameplay, let me know in the comments. I mean, I can do it. I can sauce it up, but I actually am thinking about starting a new channel for just gaming. I may post a few videos on this channel to see how they do, but it'll mostly be Cyberpunk, maybe Call of Duty. Everyone is playing Call of Duty, so it's like, but I'll just upload anyways. Like I say, if you guys want to see, check it out. I got some other gameplay footage on my channel already. You can check that out as well. But anyways, subscribe if you like it. Hey, if you don't like it, like the video anyways. Reverse psychology, you know, it works sometimes. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Deuces.